Hi, this is Michelle Gainey with Lemiga Events, and today we have Chef Juan with Chez Montier here.
Hello, Michelle. Hi. How are you today?
And today we're talking all about Thanksgiving. And if you're like me with a busy lifestyle, you might want to cheat a little bit and make the most of the time with your family by hiring someone like Chef Juan.
Cheating a lot. You can cheat a lot with us.
Cheat a lot. To make a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner, but still keep a little family connection by sharing a recipe, a family recipe with your family, your kids in the kitchen.
So today, even though we're gonna help with the turkey and the things that we can do, the turkey, the short rib, the crown rib of lamb, and we're gonna get your kids in the kitchen and we're gonna have them dig into some dough and make my aunt's famous potato rolls.
Wonderful.
Oh, they're going to. It's going to be a mess, but they're going to love it.
Fabulous. So tell me a little bit about Chez Montier and what you provide as a catering company.
We're a boutique-driven catering company. We provide a unique blend of global flavors. We try our best to make our food as delicious as it is beautiful. Why? Because your eyes eat before your mouth does. Mm-hmm.
For sure.
Chez Montier, I partner with my wife Judith, who is really the brains of our operation. I like it like that. I really, really like it like that. And today we are going to do a roast turkey, homemade cranberry sauce. I grew up with cranberry sauce that had the little rings around it that you cut into discs. Yeah, well, none of that. Brussels sprouts that I didn't fall in love with until I went away to college. My mother would cook them until they were army green. We're just going to quickly blanch them and saute them with chicken stock. Wonderful.
And do you have a favorite Thanksgiving dish?
My favorite dish, I dry age my own beef. I dry age a bone-in prime rib that is then mesquite and hickory roasted. That's my favorite.
Okay.
And what about yours? What's your favorite?
I love a great dressing, but it's the combination. Like it's like pick one of your favorite kids. Like I've got to have my turkey with my dressing, my collard greens, my macaroni and cheese.
Sure.
It's the combination of
Sure.
it all. But today I know we're going to taste some of your wonderful food. For those that are looking to have some assistance with their Thanksgiving dinner, you do offer a Thanksgiving dinner service, is that right?
Yes, as I said earlier, we can take the heavy lifting out of your Thanksgiving meal. We'll do a mesquite and hickory roasted beef tenderloin, of course a honey roasted turkey, and all of the sides and all of the things that you can think of. We will even make something from your family's recipe Rolodex, if you give us time to perfect the recipe.
Wonderful. Well, I look forward to having the food today. I know for anyone that's looking for some heavy lifting help for Thanksgiving, this will be a wonderful option to order Thanksgiving dinner. But I also love that we're going to share a recipe for everyone to still have some family time in the kitchen together.
Absolutely.
Gathered around the kitchen for their Thanksgiving meal.
So when you're going to order, go to chezmontier.com and place your order early. We book fast. Thank you, Michelle.
Thank you.